Hello everyone, my name is Kimliang, and in this video I'm going to show you how to build a burger menu like this menu. So I'm going to create this burger menu with HTML, CSS and jQuery. Okay, so now let's get started. So as you can see, I already created a file name burger.html already, and I also links to the jQuery library and add a style tag for add the style to the elements, and I will write jQuery or JavaScript here to make the element interactive. Alright, now first of all I want to add an element with a now class. So I want to put the style to the now. I want to add width 100% and height 60 pixels and background black. Alright, let's see the now bar. It has some space. I want to remove it. So I'm going to reset the margin to 0 and also padding to 0. And then the space is gone. Alright, so now I want to add another element inside the nav. So I want to add a box with a class name nav box, and then I add the style to the nav box. I want to add width 35 pixels and height also 35 pixels, and I don't need background but border 1 pixels with white color. Alright, let's check. Okay, here. Alright, so now I want to move this box into the middle of the now element. So to move it, I just add a margin 12 pixels, and then oh no, that's okay. Just add another property to the now class. Just put positions property to fix and save. So it's fixed now. That's okay. So I want to add another element. So I want to add 3 lines inside the box. So inside the now box, I'm going to add another element called burger. Okay, so with burger element, I want to add the style. I will add a width 25 pixel and height 4 pixels and background white. Let's check it. It's come up here. Alright, now I want to move this burger to the middle of the box. So to move it, just add some style to the now box. Make sure display flex and position relative and justify content is center, and then it's moved to the center, but I want to move it into the middle also. Okay, just add another property, align items with center value. Okay, it's come up now. So I want to add 2 more lines before the burger and after burger. So I add another class with the same burger style, but before I need to add width just 15 pixels, height 3 pixels, and background color also white. Refresh it. Oh, it doesn't show up. We need to add content property with empty string here, and then it will show up here. But can check here. Can check here. The burger. So now we have before, right? So I'm going to change the position to absolute, and now when I change the position to absolute, I can move this line to up, left or right or something like that. So I want to move it, use a transform property, and then translate Y. So I want to minus 10 pixel to make this line up 10 pixel, so it will push the line to the top. Okay, so I just copy these 2 lines into the burger before style. So now I refresh. Okay, it's work. So I'm going to add another line, just duplicate, but this time not before, but it is after. And the translate Y, we make sure it's a positive value, and then we load it to see it. Alright, so we compare this burger before and after. So this properties is the same property and also the same value, but just one property that has different value. Okay, so now we combine this together. So I want to add another style of the burger before and the burger after. So the style will be this property. Okay, I cut it and paste, and I want to delete this because before and after just have different value of this. Okay, save and refresh, so it's look the same, right? Alright, so now I want to change this to red and refresh it. It will change all of this because before and after we have the same property in the same color of the background. Alright, so now let's move forward to the animation. I mean, when I click on the now box, it will move the burger to the left side. Okay, so animation art, I am going to add another class to make the burger move to the left. So the class is now open, so to move it to the left. So let's test this. I right click here and the now box, right? But I want to move the burger, so select the burger and I want to transform and translate x 25 pixel, right? You can see it's moved. Now I want to 40 pixels and I want to move it to the left, so I use negative. Alright, so just copy this code to this one, but it seems like it's not move very smooth, so I want to add another property is transitions. So I want to move this to 40, it become like this. If I want to move to the left, negative 40 pixel, it will like this. So transitions make all changes smoothly, right? So I need to copy it and paste it into the burger style, to the burger class. Alright, here. Okay, but right now I need to activate the now open. So now I need to create an event on click on the now box. I will select the now box class and add events on click. Okay, like this. And then when I click on the now box, and then it will move the burger. So I select the burger. Before I have created a class now open that have the ability to transform the burger move to the left 40 pixel, right? So now I just add the class. I just toggle class now open, and then that's it. So now I just refresh. Okay, when I click it the first time, it will add the now open class to the burger, and you can see here. Okay, it add the now open to burger, and then when I click it again, it will remove. You see, that's mean of the toggle class. Okay, alright, so now it's work. But when it move, I wanna make the middle line disappear. So I just add another style is background. Just make it transparent and refresh and check it out. You see? Alright, so now I want to make it move to the right first. Easy to find out. You see? So the middle line is fade out. Alright, so now I move to the left. Okay, so just change the negative 40 pixel. Now let's take care to the top and bottom line. So this is before and this is after. So I just add another class now open before. The now open before will respond to the top line, and for the bottom line I will add another class. It's just change the before to after. So what I want is when I click on the now box, it will move the burger to the left, but the top and the bottom line still stay in the middle of the box, and also rotate to 45 degrees. Okay, so now when I click it, both top and bottom line move to the left, so I want to transform it back to the right. Okay, so now let's add style to it. So I just add a transform property and rotate 45 degrees and translate 28 pixels and negative 28 pixels of Y. okay, X, Y. Alright, so refresh it and click on it. It will push the top line to the right, but it looks like no, when it change it's not smooth, so I want to make it more smoothly. I want to add another property is transition to burger before and after. So I transitions on property with 0.4 seconds is okay. Now let's refresh and click on it again. It will become like this. So I want to increase the width of the top line. So now go back to the now open before. I want to add a width property, change it to 25 pixels. Okay, now refresh and it become like this. Alright, so now after also have the same property, but it will be rotate different degree. So I just reverse the number from 45 degree to negative 45 degree. And for translate, for the Y position, I just remove the negative sign. So now refresh it, it becomes like this. Okay, it's good, right? So now I'm going to add another circle inside the box. So I just create another style, Sir X. So Sir X class, I wanna add width to 35 pixels and also height to 45 pixels, and I would like to apply background to red colors and save. But this is not active yet. I need to make it active. I wanna write some jQuery here. So when I click on a now box here, and then the now box will be add a class Sir X to that element, right? So the now box already have a click event already, so I just implement more code. So I will click on the now box. So it means I will take this by adding the class Sir X, and that's it. Okay, and then refresh, click on it, it will like this. Okay, but now I want to change it to circle. So I just wanna add another property is border radius with the value 50%, and when I click on it, it becomes like this. So the background is red, and the top and bottom line also red color. So now I want to change it back to white color. So the burger before and after, it refer to the top and bottom line. So I just change the color to white color and refresh. Let's check it out like this. Okay, so now I don't need the border anymore. So I'm going to command the now box, the border. I command the code, so this code will not execute. So we don't have the border now. Click on it, it become like this. Okay, but I want the red circle fade out, not come clearly like this. So now I need to add some property to serve a class. Just add a transition with all and 0.4 seconds, and is in, is out, and refresh it and click on it, it becomes like this. Okay, you can see. Alright, so thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel and I will appreciate it. Thank you, goodbye.